8 signs of low humidity in plants you need to know. Hi friends. If you're a plant lover, you probably already know that humidity plays a vital role in keeping your plants healthy and vibrant. In this video, we'll explore 8 common signs of low humidity in plants so you can identify and address the issues promptly. Why do many plants need higher humidity levels? This is a question that often crosses the minds of plant enthusiasts. Many indoor plants originate from tropical regions, where they naturally thrive under the canopy of forests. These plants are well suited for apartment living because they grow in warmer temperatures and lower light conditions. However, a key characteristic of their native environment is the high humidity levels commonly found in rainforests. When these plants are removed from their natural habitat and placed in dry indoor conditions, they often show signs of low humidity stress. Join us in this video as we explore 8 signs of low humidity in plants, humidity-loving plants, and everything you need to know about keeping your plants hydrated and happy. Eight signs of low humidity in plants. 1. Brown leaf tips and edges. Most of a plant's moisture is lost through its leaves, and in dry conditions, the rate of transpiration and evaporation increases. The delicate edges of the leaves are the most vulnerable and tend to turn brown under low humidity. Brown leaf tips are a common problem for houseplants, often caused by low humidity or improper watering. 2. Yellowing leaves. Yellow leaves are a clear sign of plant stress, which can occur for various reasons. A sudden increase in the number of yellow leaves on your plant indicates that you need to review all aspects of care, including humidity levels. Three. Crispy and dry leaves. Low humidity can lead to excessive dryness in the leaves, causing them to become brittle and sometimes unable to grow properly. This is a serious warning sign that needs immediate attention. Four. Buds drop before opening. The buds and flowers of many plants are highly sensitive to low humidity levels. When caring for flowering houseplants, seeing new buds and blooms is one of the most exciting and rewarding parts of their growth cycle. However, bud drop can be incredibly disappointing, and low humidity is one of the most common causes of this issue. Five. Buds fail to develop. When plants are under stress, they may refuse to bloom altogether. Stress from low humidity can prevent your houseplants from producing flowers in the first place. However, this isn't always the case, as some plants may respond to stress by blooming as a survival mechanism. It's important to understand your plant's needs and provide the right care accordingly. 6. Flowers wilt shortly after blooming. Dry air increases water loss through evaporation, which can cause your flowers to wilt much sooner in low humidity conditions. Seven. Wilting foliage. General wilting of foliage is often caused by underwatering, but it can also occur due to low humidity levels. (8) Increased need for water. You might notice that houseplants require more water in low humidity conditions. With higher rates of transpiration and evaporation, the plants need extra water to stay healthy. What is the best humidity level for plants? Most houseplants thrive at a humidity level of 50 to 60%. If you can maintain this level, most plants will adapt well to the conditions and stay healthy. While many houseplants can tolerate dry conditions better, a few species require much higher humidity levels for optimal growth, which we'll discuss shortly. Is high humidity harmful to plants? Excessive humidity levels for plants that prefer drier conditions can be disastrous, significantly increasing the risk of bacterial and fungal diseases. Many bacteria and fungi thrive in high humidity environments, especially where air circulation is poor. This can lead to rapid disease outbreaks among houseplants. If your houseplants are growing in very humid conditions, ensure that this environment is suitable for their specific needs. Additionally, proper ventilation is crucial, as moving air greatly reduces the risk of disease. Occasionally opening a window or using a fan can help prevent many problems. Do houseplants increase humidity? Houseplants release water vapor from their leaves, which increases the local humidity around them. So, if you're struggling with low humidity in your home, adding some humidity-loving houseplants can be a great solution. Low humidity houseplants. If you're not a fan of increasing the humidity levels in your home or prefer a dry environment, you can still enjoy the benefits of growing houseplants. The following plants thrive in low humidity conditions: aloe vera, euphorbia, peperomia, ficus elastica rubber plant, cacti, crassula ovata jade plant, echeveria, ponytail palm bucharnia, crown of thorns Euphorbia milei. High humidity houseplants. The following plants thrive in higher humidity levels. If you're growing these plants, it's essential to monitor humidity and use techniques to increase it, such as those mentioned in our article on ways to boost humidity. Begonia rex, pilea, orchids, alocasia elephant ear, Maranta prayer plant, lucky bamboo, ferns, Dieffenbachia, calathea. Whether you prefer low maintenance, low humidity plants or love the challenge of caring for humidity-loving greenery, we've got you covered. Shower, sparkles. Right pointing finger, tell us, which plants are you growing at home? Right pointing finger, hit the like button if you found these tips helpful. Right pointing finger, subscribe for more plant care advice and tricks. Let's create the perfect environment for your leafy friends to grow healthy and vibrant. Seedling, don't forget to share this video with your fellow plant lovers.